you will put at the end ka, masmuka, and the people you are addressing to, he will have to reply like this: my name is ismi, my name is ismi, min aina anta, where are you from? Ismi, then like if you have to reply my name is, then you can say ismi, then you can put your name after the ismi. Okay, after the ismi you can put your name, and then if you have to say someone where are you from, to the male, if you have to say to the male where are you from, then you're gonna say min aina anta. If you are addressing to the male, again listen, if you're addressing to the male and you have to say where are you from, where are you from, then you're gonna reply min aina anta. You're gonna say, you're gonna ask min aina anta, what is you, where are you from? And then if you like, then who will, like how he will reply, the person you're asking a question to, then you're gonna reply I am from Anamin. Anamin, like if you're from the America, you can say Anamin America. Anamin America. And if you're from the Pakistan, you're gonna say Anamin Pakistan. Anamin Pakistan. I'm from the Pakistan. If you have to say someone like how are you to the male, again to the male, if you have to say how are you, you're going to say, you're gonna say like كيف حالك, كيف حالك. Here you can see the pronunciation in English. كيف حالك, how are you? بخير. Then you're gonna reply I'm fine, I'm good. بخير, بخير. Thank you, شكرا. Thank you, شكرا. Thank you, شكرا. And عفوا, you're welcome. عفوا, you're welcome. Again, I missed something. Like if you have, if you're addressing the female, then how you gonna say, ask the question, what is your name? If you're addressing a male, you will say masmuka. If you're addressing a female, you will say masmuki. You'll put ki at the end. Masmuki. Min aina anti. If you are addressing a female and you have to say where are you from, then you're gonna say masmuki. Like where are you from? Masmuki. And if you are addressing a male and you have to say how are you, you're gonna say kaifa haluki. Kaifa haluka for the male. For the female, you're gonna say kaifa haluki. Kaifa haluki for the female. And if you have to say you're welcome in Arabic language, you're gonna say afwan. Afwan, you're welcome. Afwan. If you have to say someone like greeting, it's a greeting, like it's a greeting welcome. It's not the welcome like when you say for the thank you, you say welcome, but it's not for that. It's for the greeting. Like for greeting, you're gonna say ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. You welcome. Like if you someone some guest came to your come to your home, and you're gonna say like welcome. How you'll say? You'll say like probably ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome. And if you have to ask someone like, do you speak Arabic? Do you speak Arabic? هل